everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by DN. As promised, I will be showing you how I get this wet hair look without using any hot tools. A lot of celebrities rock this look. It's so chic, it's so simple, and it's so effortless. If you like this look, please keep watching. Okay, so as you can tell, my hair is wet and very tangled. So I'm going to start off by spraying my hair with a treatment. The one that I've been using is the Revlon Uniq one. It allows me to gently brush my hair without pulling and damaging the hair. This treatment also prevents split ends. Next, I brush my hair starting from the bottom and working my way up. Remember, starting from the bottom will prevent breakage. After brushing my hair, I then apply a leave-in conditioner evenly throughout my hair. I have been using the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, which tames my frizz and conditions the hair. Once my hair is nicely conditioned, I will then start prepping my hair for a Dutch braid. I'm going to use my tail comb to create a zigzag part starting from the front of my hairline, working my way towards the back of my head. The zigzags do not have to be perfect, as I will be undoing the braids at the end. Creating a zigzag part will prevent a defined line once the braid has been taken out. I am now tying one side of my hair into a bun so that it is out of my way before starting my braid. This will prevent strands getting caught into my braid. To start off a Dutch braid, section out a small piece of hair right at the hairline. Split the section into 3 pieces. For this braid, I will be taking the 2 end pieces of the hair and bringing them both under the center piece. I started off with the left piece, bringing it under the center, and then the right piece bringing that under the center. Now for the next step, I will be adding hair to the left piece, and again, I will add hair to the right piece. Continue this method all the way down to the bottom of your head. Since my hair is long and wet, it is easy for the hair to get tangled while braiding. Therefore, I continuously run my fingers throughout my hair to prevent it from getting tangled. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes a lot easier. Remember, left piece under the center, adding hair, and right piece under the center, adding hair. Once you have run out of hair to add to your braid, bring your hair towards the front and continue to braid the end pieces under towards the center piece. Once I'm finished braiding, I secure the braid with a bobby pin. A bobby pin will prevent a strong demarcation line once removed. I will now work on the other side of my head, creating the same braid. Remember, take a small section from the hairline, split it into 3 sections, and braid the end sections under the center section, working your way down towards the back of your head. Once my hair is all braided, I like to lock in the moisture by using the Marc Anthony Strictly Curl Spray. I love this product because it really reduces all my frizz after braiding my hair. Okay, so once we finish braiding all our hair, I usually go to sleep and then let it dry while I sleep. However, for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna run a few errands and then I will be back in a few hours. See you soon. It has now been almost 6 hours and most of my hair has been dried. I will now undo my braid, but before doing so, I will add serum to the tips of my fingers, which will allow the strands of hair to evenly get shine. Once the braids are all undone, I like to ruffle my hair a bit, which will allow movement and an option to change the part of my hair. In this case, I will part my hair in the middle as I like to evenly distribute product. Again, I will be using the Mix Tricks leave-in conditioner, which will again define the curls and condition the hair. Now, to really get the wet look, I like to go in again with the Marc Anthony Strictly Curl Spray, which will really define the curls and give it that wet look. Lastly, I'm going to switch my part to a side part. However, you can part your hair any way you like. I hope you guys enjoyed my wet look tutorial. You can literally wear this look at any occasion, especially on vacation. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get an update on my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.